Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to hide your story on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat application on your phone. Once it's open, tap on your profile icon, which is typically found in the top left corner. This will take you to your profile screen. From there, you'll need to tap the small gear icon in the top right to open your settings menu. It's a quick and easy first step. Now that you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the Privacy Controls section. This area allows you to manage various aspects of your privacy. Within this section, tap on the View My Story option. This is where you decide who can see your daily updates. To hide your story from specific people, you'll need to select the Custom Privacy setting. After choosing Custom, a list of all your Snapchat friends will appear. This is where you get to decide who won't see your story. Simply tap on the names of the friends you want to exclude. A check mark will appear next to their names, indicating they are selected. Remember, anyone you select here will not be able to view any of your future stories. Once you have carefully selected everyone you wish to exclude, take a moment to review your choices. Make sure you haven't accidentally blocked someone you wanted to share with. When you are satisfied with your selections, tap the Block or Done button, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Your story privacy settings are now updated, and your future stories will be hidden from those specific individuals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.